$58 million in federal COVID-19 relief funding in the hands right now of the Mobile City Council.
Yeah, and right now they're having to decide if they're going to move forward with the plan that Mayor Stimson has put forward or if they want to look at a different plan proposed today.
Tyler Finger live tonight with the information on this. Tyler.
Lenise, $58 million in funding. It is a lot of money, and the City Council is now considering at least two different plans on how to spend it.
Opposition was threefold.
After 4 weeks of work, Teresa Bettis and the South Alabama Economic Roundtable unveiled their plan today. A red folder given to each city council member lays out how they think federal COVID funds should be used.
We have done what we said we would do. As requested by the council, we have submitted a proposal, and so we hope that they take fair consideration.
Their proposal coming after 8 meetings with community members. They wanted to hear what those most affected by the pandemic needed. Their plan is similar in some aspects to the city of Mobile's. They're proposing a smaller bonus to city employees, more money for economic development and job training, among other changes.
We heard loudly from the community mental health was very important. It's an allowable activity. It's an eligible expense. We found that education, increased opportunity for educational supports for lost learning as results of COVID.
Mayor Sandy Stimson's plan was unveiled back in June. It includes $11 million in employee bonuses, nearly $14 million intended to help low-income residents, and $29 million on other projects like rental assistance. Councilmember Joel Daves recommended approval of the mayor's plan, but says they'll be taking a close look at the South Alabama Economic Roundtables.
The plan that they submitted is very detailed. I know they got a lot of public input on it, and I'm sure each council person will look at it along with other input.
Mayor Stimson and Councilman Daves both say the process has been transparent.
I think any citizen who has had an opinion on how the money ought to be spent has had ample opportunity to convey that.
The City Council is set to vote on this next Tuesday. It has to be approved this month, or they risk losing the funding altogether. Live in downtown Mobile tonight, Tyler Finger, Fox 10 News.